Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go over some deals at Dollar General that are going to be good from November 10th through the 16th. I just want to remind everyone to take a look at your flyer this week. There is a 3-day sale going on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's the 14th, 15th, and 16th. They're going to have 50% off outdoor decor and 50% off assorted stuffed animals. And there's also going to be some sales on some Bluetooth items and some food and drink and a couple of other things. So just take a look at that and see if there's anything you might want to get. Also, don't forget to clip that Save 5 off of 25 for Saturday, November 16th. For this first deal, you want to get 2 of the Dove Dry Shampoo 1.5 ounce. They're $2 a piece, and you'll find them in the travel section. Now, make sure you're getting the scent Fresh Coconut. We have a digital coupon for save $3 on any 2 Dove hair care products. Now, this excludes the trial and travel size, but if you scan this on the app, it will match the coupon. Now, I'm doing this video Sunday night, so if you go to the store anytime after that, just make sure you're scanning it to make sure it's still matching and that Dollar General didn't catch it and make sure it didn't match anymore. So your final cost for both of them would be just $1. For this next deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Suave Professionals shampoo or conditioners, and they're $3 each. We have a digital coupon for save $3 on any 2 Suave Professional shampoo or conditioners, so your final cost would be 3 for $2. The Suave Men Hair and Body Wash 2-in-1 15 ounce is $2. We have a save $1 on any 1 Suave Men hair care product, leaving your final cost $1. For this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Dove shampoo or conditioner, the ones that are $4 each, and 1 of the Suave Men 2-in-1 15 ounce for $2. You want the save $3 on any 2 Dove hair care, the save $1 on any 1 Suave Men hair care, and you want the Dollar General store coupon for save $3 when you spend $10, and that includes the Suave and the Dove. So your final cost would be just $3. Alright, for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Suave Professional shampoo or conditioners for $3 each, 2 of the Dove Dry shampoos for $2 each, and make sure it's that Fresh Coconut. Then you want the $3 off 2 Dove hair care, the $3 off the 2 Suave, and the 3 off of 10 Dollar General store coupon. And that will leave your final price at only $1. There's also another way to do it. You could get 2 of the Suave Professionals shampoo or conditioner for $3, 1 of the Suave Kids Detangler Spray 10 ounce for $3, and lastly, 1 of the Suave Men 2-in-1 15 ounce for $2. You'll want that save 1 on the Suave Men, the save 3 on the 2 Suave Professionals, the save 1 on the Suave Kids, and the save 3 off of 10 Dollar General store coupon. And that should bring your final cost down to just $3. For this deal, you want to get 1 of the Palmer's body wash, and there's a couple different kinds here. They're 13.5 ounce, and they are $3 each. We have a digital coupon for save $1.50 on 1 Palmer's product. So your final cost would be $1.50. We did get a few coupons for laundry products this week, and you may want to add them to your 5 off of 25. So for this deal, the Tide 40 ounce or the Tide Pod 16 count are $4.95. We have a digital coupon for save $2 on the Tide, making your final cost $2.95. The Gain Flings 14 count are $3.95. And we got a digital coupon for save $2 on 1 Gain Flings 12 to 14 count, making your final cost $1.95. Now, earlier this morning when I checked pretty early, there was a save $5 when you spend $15 on any Gain laundry items digital coupon. When I went back tonight, all my accounts were missing this coupon. Now, the ad even shows that we're supposed to get a 5 off of 15 for the Gain, so I don't know if they're going to put it back or what Dollar General is doing, so keep your eyes peeled for that and see if it comes back to your account. If you are someone that likes the Schick Intuition razors, they are $7.50. And this week we got a save $4 on one Schick Intuition, making your final cost just $3.50. The Dulcolax Laxitive tablets, 25 count, are $5.75. And we got a digital coupon for save $3 on one Dulcolax product, 25 count or larger, making your final cost just $2.75. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. I'd love to have you be part of the channel. Just make sure you're scanning all your products, guys, before you buy them, just to make sure those coupons are matching, because we know how Dollar General is. Sometimes they disappear, sometimes they don't match. Sometimes it can be quite the nightmare. Also, guys, make sure you're utilizing your Fetch app and scanning all your receipts from when you go shopping. If you don't know what the Fetch app is, it's just an app that turns your receipts into points, which then you can turn into money for like gift cards. If you don't have it, I will leave my referral link down below. And I think when you scan your first receipt, it'll give you a couple thousand points. And one last thing, make sure you're checking your Dollar General account throughout the week to see if there are new coupons. And if there's a coupon you want to use and have for Saturday, make sure you clip it now before it disappears. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.